In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Lens on your computer, PC, or laptop. Google Lens is a powerful tool that uses artificial intelligence to identify text, images, and objects in the pictures you upload to give you helpful information and related search results. Whether you're trying to identify a plant, translate text, or learn more about a famous architectural piece you came across, Google Lens can be incredibly handy. Now, let's get started. First, what you'll want to do is open Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. Google Lens works seamlessly with Chrome, so it's essential to use this browser to access all its features smoothly. If you haven't installed Chrome yet, you might want to do that first to enjoy the full capabilities of Google Lens. Once you've got Chrome open, head over to images.google.com. This page is the hub of Google's image search capabilities and serves as the gateway for using Google Lens from your computer. This is the same platform you might already be familiar with if you've previously conducted image searches for personal or work purposes. Next, direct your attention to the search bar where you'll notice a small camera icon positioned at its right end. Click on this camera icon. This feature is specifically designed to allow you to interact with images in more ways than a basic search typically would. By clicking here, you activate Google Lens's analysis tool on your computer. Now, you'll see two options presented to you, one for uploading an image and another for pasting an image URL. Select Upload an image if you have a file saved on your device that you'd like to analyze. This could be anything from a photo you snapped on holiday to a screenshot from a recent presentation. If you want to use an online image, simply choose Paste Image URL and enter the address of the image. This feature is practical for working with images you come across that catch your interest as you're browsing the web. After you've selected and uploaded your image, Google Lens jumps into action. It will scan and analyze the visual data from your image, delving into its extensive database to bring you an array of results. You'll get a display of related images, detailed information, and other search results all connected to your original image. This includes anything from identifying types of plants and animals to translating foreign text found in the image, and even suggesting places to purchase items you photographed. And that's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you can harness the cutting-edge technology of Google Lens right from your desktop or laptop. It brings a wealth of information to your fingertips and enhances your web exploring experience in an intuitive and engaging way. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you find this tool as exciting and useful as I do. Feel free to explore and see what you can discover with the power of Google Lens.